This 3D print is of an animal called a quokka. MatMire Makes did the design. I purchased it, printed it at 75% of the design that he had made. This took right at 13 hours. His design, he's got two heads on it. One head has the open mouth smiley face, and this one has a closed mouth. So printed it on a raft. Need to remove it from the raft, and it'll have a little ball to connect the head. There's the tail. So there's the raft that we throw away. The little body will move a little bit. The legs will move in and out. There's also joints in each of the arms and legs. The little hands will move. Gotta free up the joints though. Okay, that one freed up. Can't grab it to free it. It'll free up though. And the leg joints. Still got the one arm. There we go. Just had to get the right angle on it. So now the tail gets connected in. It just snaps in place. So you have a tail. And then the head. You can see how the head snaps in. It's a little bit of a tight fit on the head, but it's in. Those arms still are tight. They'll loosen up. All the plastic gets worn in a little bit. So here's the quokka. Stands. So now I have two quokkas, a red and an orange one. One's got an open mouth, the other has a closed mouth. Same bodies, same tails. Printing at 75%, the way I print with a raft, takes right at about 13 hours to print.